Y'all, I asked my wife what she wanted for dinner, and she said, oh, just a simple spaghetti. I haven't had spaghetti in a long time. I said, no problem. Then I walked and looked in the cabinet and realized I ain't got no spaghetti. But I do have these other pastas. Which one should I choose? I think tonight's gonna be the penne. I'm gonna start off browning some ground beef while I cut up my vegetables. And once the meat is done, we're gonna take that out, set it aside while we go to work on the sauce. Okay, we're gonna start with half an onion. It was a big onion. Half a bell pepper. It was a big bell pepper. And 2 jalapenos, because I'm in Texas. What else would you expect? Don't forget the salt along the way. Once the veggies get soft, I'm gonna add just a little bit of garlic. Come on, you know that's not enough. After about 30 seconds, we're gonna add a couple of cans of diced tomatoes. Then it's time to break out the boat motor. I don't blitz it too much. Still like a little chunky. Besides, it's gonna break down while it's cooking anyway, so. I'm gonna add our meat back in. Don't think I forgot to rinse out my can. Want all that good stuff out of there. I added some black, white, and red pepper. And some Italian seasoning. Shake, shake, shake. And I'm gonna add some extra oregano and some smoked paprika. Why? Because it's good to me. And this is totally optional, but I like to add a little MSG to make it pop. One final little thing, gonna add a little red wine in there. You know what's up. Now let's salt the water for some pasta. Yeah, need some more salt. There we go. Thank you, Cousin Ernest, for the organic pasta, because I probably would never bought this on my own. But we're gonna cook it tonight. Pasta going in. Okay, we mixed the pasta with the sauce, topped it with a little cheese and melted it, and we are good to go. Ooh, yeah, baby, it's dinner time. I'm so good, I'm better than me. Oh, Lord.
Take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down.